Hey everyone! If you're following the electric vehicle space, especially Chinese electric vehicle makers, then you know things are heating up fast. Today, we're diving deep into NIO's delivery outlook, why June might be a game-changing month for the company, and how the latest production and order data could signal a major rebound. Whether you're an investor trying to time the market or just curious about how NIO plans to compete in the second half of 2025, let's break it all down. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. A lot of you are already aware that during NIO's Q1 earnings update, the company projected vehicle deliveries to range between 24,400 and 27,400 units. But if we take a closer look at what's going on beneath the surface, there's reason to believe that NIO could outperform this guidance. One of the primary reasons I'm feeling optimistic about NIO's delivery numbers, especially for June, is due to the volume of orders they've accumulated for key models like the ET5 Touring, the standard ET5 sedan, as well as the ES6 and EC6. Many of those orders are now ready for delivery, and June looks to be the month when those vehicles will reach customers. Now, NIO has been working hard to shorten delivery wait times, aiming to get cars into the hands of customers within 2 to 4 weeks. This accelerated approach to fulfilling orders is part of a broader strategy the company hinted at during their Q1 results. It seems like a relatively new tactic, possibly rolled out recently, and it's clearly designed to boost deliveries as rapidly as possible. Most of the customers who placed orders in May, or at the very end of that month, are likely to receive their cars in June. That positions June as a potential standout month for NIO, one that could surpass expectations and surprise many observers. Adding to this, Deutsche Bank weighed in post-earnings and suggested that NIO could actually deliver around 28,400 units, well above the high end of the company's own forecast. That opens up the real possibility that NIO will overdeliver. It's too early to confirm anything definitively. Of course, we'll have to watch how the rest of the month plays out. But based on what I'm seeing, I'm confident that June could turn out to be the company's strongest month so far this year. Maybe not quite topping the record of over 30,000 deliveries we saw back in December, but potentially coming quite close. Now, I previously speculated that May might be the breakthrough month, but that didn't quite materialize. However, with the backlog of orders from May expected to be fulfilled in June, that potential shift is now clearly on the horizon. And that's something to be excited about. For instance, Deutsche Bank pointed out that NIO recorded about 33,000 new orders last month. If that's accurate and they only delivered around 23,000 vehicles, then there's a surplus of 10,000 vehicles that could be delivered in June, carried over from May's order intake. That's a strong foundation for a record-breaking delivery month. This kind of momentum suggests that investors who've stayed patient through the turbulence and headwinds could soon be rewarded. There's also been some skepticism lately about whether NIO will be able to double its sales figures this year. Some critics are already counting the company out, but I wouldn't be so quick to write them off. There are still several new products on the horizon, and they could significantly contribute to NIO's overall sales growth in the months to come. One of the most promising developments is the upcoming launch of the ONVO L90, a large SUV that's expected to hit the market in August, with deliveries starting shortly after, possibly in September. This model is generating a lot of buzz and could significantly boost ONVO's monthly sales numbers. While the ONVO L60 is on track to approach 10,000 monthly deliveries, the L90 could be the catalyst that pushes those numbers toward 20,000. And then there's the L80, another exciting model, which could potentially carry that figure even higher, to around 25,000 monthly deliveries. NIO's long-term target for its ONVO sub-brand is to consistently reach an average of 25,000 deliveries per month, while also aiming for a similar figure for the main NIO brand. That would bring their combined monthly delivery capacity to 50,000 vehicles. Right now, NIO has the infrastructure to handle that volume. And what's more, in Q3, they're bringing a third manufacturing facility online. This new plant will be partially operating on a double-shift system, which will help increase output significantly. That's a crucial step forward in scaling their production. Of course, there are those who argue that NIO doubling its annual sales still feels like a stretch. I understand the skepticism, but we need to consider the full roadmap. The company only recently released some of its best-selling models, including key updates in May. They've also rolled out new features under the NIO World ecosystem at the end of May. These steps are laying the groundwork for stronger performance in the second half of the year. And there's another major reason to stay bullish on NIO's outlook: their advancements in autonomous driving technology. The latest batch of NIO vehicles is being equipped with the company's proprietary NX9031 chip, developed in-house. This is a significant leap forward, both in terms of product innovation and potential cost efficiencies. Eventually, ONVO models will also adopt these chips, replacing NVIDIA's current offerings, which means tighter integration and better control over the supply chain. Taking all of this into account, I genuinely believe June will be a standout month for NIO in terms of deliveries. Based on the data and recent trends, this could very well be their best month of 2025 so far. We may not see a repeat of the 30,000 plus units delivered in December, but we're almost certainly going to hit a new high for this calendar year. Those who've remained patient throughout the ups and downs, especially when the share price was under pressure, are likely to see those efforts pay off. Insurance registration data will offer additional confirmation as the month wraps up, but early indications already point to a positive trend in deliveries and customer demand. We've already seen the company deliver around 23,900 units in May and 23,200 in April. If June comes in at 25,000, 26,000, 27,000, or possibly even 28,000, then we're looking at something truly special. That kind of performance would send a powerful signal to both investors and the broader market that NIO is regaining its momentum. So to speak, I'll be sure to keep you all updated. It's a decision I'm not taking lightly, but given everything we've discussed, the case for optimism around NIO is becoming harder and harder to ignore. Let's watch closely. Let's see what unfolds in the coming weeks. But one thing's for sure: this could be a turning point for NIO and a strong sign of things to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.